morning, everyone. I am Sherlyn Bumidang-Otaban, and we will have a discussion for today. A discussion about the WPS app. When we say WPS app, short for Writer, Presentation, and Spreadsheets, a comprehensive office suite that provides a free alternative to Microsoft Office. It's developed by Kingsoft, a Chinese software developer. It is available for platforms including Windows, MacOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. So, WPS app is very important to us students. And we have the uses and the benefits of WPS. The first one is document creation and editing. Under of the document creation and editing is the word processing, wherein we students are allowed to create or edit our documents in essays, reports, and other academic assignment. So through WPS, we can now edit or we can now create our own essays using the WPS. The second one is spreadsheet management. The spreadsheet component, similar to Microsoft Excel, enables students to create and manage a spreadsheet for data analysis, budgeting, and other tasks. Example dito sa spreadsheet management wherein we can also create an attendance. Kumbaga, we can create our data analysis dito using the WPS. The third one is the presentation design, wherein the presentation component, comparable to PowerPoint, allows students to create visually engaging presentation with text, images, videos, and audio. So, sa presentation design naman is para na rin siyang PowerPoint app like na makakapag-create na tayo ng PPT using the WPS. So, kabilang na siya sa document creation and editing. The second uses is PDF management, viewing, and editing. The WPS app includes a built-in PDF reader and editor, allowing students to view, annotate, and even convert PDF files to other formats. So, using the WPS app daw is kaya na niyang makapag-read ng PDF. So, nako-convert na natin yung mga files natin into PDF form. Scanning and conversion. Some versions of the app offer document scanning capabilities, enabling students to convert physical documents into digital. So, dito naman is pwede na siyang using the WPS, mag-i-scan niya lang yung Word or yung document is pwede na siyang magkaroon ng physical document into digital. Magkakaroon na siya or mako-convert na agad yung words sa app using our app WPS. The third is the collaboration and cloud integration, wherein we can share editing. The WPS app allows for real-time collaboration on documents, enabling students to work together on project and assignment. So, pwede na rin siya on collaboration sa pag-create ng documents or pwedeng makapag-contact na rin sa other groups or other peers na gagawin natin yung assignment natin. Cloud storage. It integrates with cloud storage services like Google Drive, making it easy to store and access files from various devices. Sa cloud storage naman, wherein we can now store our files. So, pwede na siyang yung files natin, yung mga files natin na nagawa natin is para na rin siyang Google Drive, yung WPS app na wherein we can store it na. So, pwede natin siyang itago dun sa WPS app natin. And, uses, accessibility, and user-friendliness. Free basic version. The WPS app offers a free basic version with core features, making it accessible to student on a budget. So, yung WPS app is hindi siya nababayaran. So, pwede na lang natin siyang i-install and pwede natin siyang magamit offline. Intuitive interface. The app's interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for students to navigate and use its feature. Sabi ko nga kanina, hindi na natin siya kailangan bayaran. So, na-access na natin ng WPS by downloading it sa Play Store. And super useful siya sa atin na kumbaga wala pa tayong laptop, nagagamit natin yung WPS para sa ating pag-aaral. And we can use it offline for easy for us to use and also to learn more sa mga iba't ibang features ng WPS. And additional features like AI-powered tools. The WPS app incorporates AI features like spell checkers and grammar correction, which can help students improve the quality of their writing. Mapapansin naman natin, pag mag-edit tayo sa WPS app is andun na yung grammar checker or spell checker. So, additional features doon is pag namali yung spelling natin is kinokorek ni WPS app or kinokorek nung keyboard natin yung mali-mali na spelling natin. And also the templates and themes. It offers a library of templates and themes for various documents, presentation, and spreadsheets, providing students with ready-made design to save time and effort. So, by using WPS, andun na rin yung mga templates and themes na pwede nating gamitin and nakakatulong naman talaga ito for us sa time management natin kasi pag inopen lang natin doon, magpapakita na yung maraming themes, yung mga maraming templates na pwede nating pagpilian, imaging sa PowerPoint, sa paggawa natin ng mga documents, or andun na yung mga themes and templates. Pipili na lang tayo kung ano ang gusto nating gawin. And the benefits for students will be discussed to my groupmate, Cyril Bimod.
Moving on to the benefits of WPS for the students. First is the cost effectiveness. The free basic version of WPS app provides a cost-effective alternative to expensive office suites. So the free basic version of the WPS app offers a cost-efficient alternative to costly office software. This is especially beneficial for students who may have limited budget but still need access to tools for writing documents, creating presentations, and managing spreadsheets. Second is cross-platform compatibility. Its availability on multiple platforms ensures students can access their files and work on assignments from various devices. So this WPS app work on multiple platforms such as laptops, tablets, smartphone, and others. So this flexibility ensures that students can access and edit their files from various devices, making it easier to work on their assignments anytime and anywhere. The third is enhanced productivity. The app's comprehensive features and intuitive interface can help students work more efficiently and effectively. So with its comprehensive features and an intuitive user interface, this app helps students to complete their tasks more effectively and efficiently. This means less time spent on navigating the software and more time focused on their studies. Fourth is improve collaboration. Improve their collaboration. The collaboration features enable students to work together seamlessly on projects and assignments. So the collaborating tools in this app enable students to work seamlessly together on their group projects and assignments. This fosters their teamwork and allow them for real-time cooperation even if the team members are in different locations. And the last is accessibility and convenience. The app's accessibility and user-friendliness make it a valuable tool for students of all levels. So the app users friendly design and accessibility make it an excellent tool for students at all levels. It is easy to use interface ensures that students can quickly learn how to utilize its features and improving their overall experience in using this apps. WPS offers a powerful and versatile suite of tools that can significantly benefit students in their academic pursuits. Its cost-effectiveness, comprehensive features, and user-friendliness make it a compelling alternative to traditional office suites. So these benefits help to make WPS a versatile and valuable tool for students, providing them with affordable, efficient, and user-friendly solution for their academic. Introducing my group members, Attaban Sherlyn, Bimod Saril May, Aligre Janet, Kutiyog Omar, and Chenilyn. And this is all our output for this webinar.